remember the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, remember the story I did on Thug Fashion, John Kingston? Well, two things are going on so. Either John Kingston is a student of Machiavelli. I'm not talk about the brother way, your favorite artist put in a song. I talk about the actual Nikolai Machiavelli. Right? And he's faking his death. And I go pop up back again in like a week's time laughing. Or he's actually dead 2 days after Thug Fashion. What a piece of madness. When Thug Fashion, or as people know him as Orion, dead, in case I don't remember, that's the youth who died. Right, him like driving a Porsche with a girl, and then police pull him over, and then let's just say he's no longer here. I did the whole video on it. Just a brief recap, he did get, pointed out as the person who was, or at least play a big part in the death of a youth who was very close friends with John Kingston. A youth who is a former police officer. So when Thug Fashion did, John Kingston was immediately, people are saying I'm responsible for this and I am send money and put money upon this and all kind of things. It was very spooky. Whether I'm responsible or not, he didn't do anything to try and, dispel those rumors. Because he was celebrating and he was posting all kind of songs and he might throw some word and he might drop some hints like, yeah, are we responsible for what happened? Right, to Thug Fashion or Rain, who by the way obviously wasn't some humanitarian on a mission to save the world. So neither of these men are going to win any humanitarian peacemaker award. But it's not like when Orion dead, people are saying, Lord have mercy, God. And then now John Kingston dead, they say, Lord have mercy. The two men they mix up and the two men them highly acidic, but they don't guard. Whoever like who, are gonna make it sound like that one day at some kind of state. Right? But a pure madness. So Thug Fashion dead. Just a couple days, maybe 2-3 the most. Thug Fashion people them did have more him on social media, him girl them. Cause it look like Orion did have about 20 different girlfriends because you don't know it already. Playboy lifestyle, Porsche drive, liquor popping with already, all kind of girls. Right? The amount of different girls I post up RIP and I post picture say me love you the most and all kind of things. And within 2 days, 3 days, John Kingston now dead. John Kingston was having a ball. Like a week can pass, I'm not remind people. Say he was enjoying the fact say Orion got killed. And making it sound like him have something to do with it. Which is why people are say like him being night to him a go on. And now he dead. Under very spooky circumstances where you say it look like the dead and him just take sick and body start going a certain way and right away people are gonna start poison. Right. Obviously no autopsy in the date, we'll wait to see what going to the autopsy. Right. But if a natural causes, that is even beyond spooky, but because of who him is, and because 2 days ago Thug Fashion dead, people are going to suspect that it's not natural causes. But any angle you look on it, this is spooky. This youth was doing the cyber version of dancing on Thug Fashion grave, and now him soon going on one. That's the time your man say, look, YouTuber I got dead, man. Man, to kill him, I can't man him kill her. Alright. But dig your grave too. This is spooky. Just where the John Kingston was in the Dominican Republic, right, living superstar lifestyle. See that on your screen. Right, he was having a ball, more life himself. More life, he never know saying life was about to be cut short under very mysterious circumstances. If a poison him, obviously a somebody close to him kill him. Which is easy. It's easy. Or him enemy I get something for poison him. Or him enemy go on him food. The enemy can't on your food. The most mad way you check for go on your one food, mad way you know on your food. Or on your something to drink. If a poison, get poison. The only way this get more Hollywood-esque is if 1 week from now, we see John Kingston jump out of one box, start moonwalk and say, gotcha! That's the only way this get crazy. And two things that go on, anything possible. Right now I'm me spooked. Right now two of me spooked, I go look up. Right now and I bed and hide. Just me and one flashlight on that bed, cause right now this spooky. Come like a Freddy Krueger, Jason, Friday 13, Nightmare on Elm Street. I want to go on. I want to go on. You can't make this up. And John Kingston been having theme problems too. Even with him being mother of fire and all kind of madness go on. Based on all reports, he was one of the abusive types, but I'm saying, I'm going to say nothing and then you're going to see the mother jump out and say, hey, Jack, you must left him alone, you never there. So, but you can't make this up. When time you see it, I have to say, what is? It's a skit? It's a prank? He was just celebrating in DR Live Life and also celebrating, say, Orion dead. I know him dead. John Kingston, you sure you not hide somewhere? You sure you know Machiavelli's stunt the apple? This too spooky. This too spooky. Me can't wait for the autopsy. Just like with the Melissa Silvera case, right now, autopsy. Me have got change the name from Politricks, watch the autopsy watch. Cause be autopsy me I watch right now. Wonder what I'm going. Wonder what I'm going. So two man them go from a war. No, two man them drop out. All them youth have be money now. These youth should be living a life of joy and happiness. According to phony narrative, when the youth them get money, then that go stop. Thug fashion, John Kingston, Bridging were dead. Police one, all them youth there. Playboy lifestyle them living they on yacht and trips all over the world and all kind of things. You think these people will be the most peaceful and happiest people in the world, but they're not. Because acidity don't care about money. Money make acidity worse. One bag of man live on boat, every man a baller, every man rich. One man look on a man funny, we all look on dog, go suck your mother, a chick fly, man get stabbed, retaliation, 3 man dead back, 1 more dead back. We don't know nothing about the streets. Nothing about the streets. When me just describe a while ago, I saw war start. Bag of man in one spot, simple thing trigger off something. And gunshot start fire. I saw enough war start. Thug Fashion and John Kingston them. You know, that's some hungry, starving youths looking for opportunity. Playboy lifestyle them. Thug Fashion died driving around in a Porsche. They say man them thing there. Lord. And still in badness. Might have to do a follow up because I don't know the story fresh. But it was so extraordinary, I have to drop it and give it to him. So Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, see you circling. Bless.